Hello everyone, my name is Akash V. Sharma. Thank you so much for coming here and having me here. I was wondering if I could recite a poem of mine to you all. Actually, 2 days before, I have written a poem. Its title is The Hero in You. I personally believe that this poem can be a really great value addition to the life you are living, to the dream you are pursuing in your life. So please allow me to recite this poem in my own way, and yes, of course, I'll be taking little help from the mobile as well because this poem is little longer than expected. So with your permission, to reach the pinnacle of life like few, to reach the pinnacle of life like few, to inspire the world by doing something new, to inspire the world by doing something new, to think of one day when you are the chief, to think of one day when you are the chief and everybody else in the queue, and everybody else in the queue keeps you all time moving, keeps you all time moving, but to reach there a lot is due, but to reach there a lot is due, slogging hard each day, slogging hard each day if your daily job, slogging hard each day if your daily job, in the end reaching nowhere, in the end reaching nowhere, fighting life like a dog, fighting life like a dog. The answers to what and why, the answers to what and why seem lost in the smog, seem lost in the smog. You don't wanna be another example, cause failure is in vogue, cause failure is in vogue. Sit down, close your eyes, look inward in your heart. Sit down, close your eyes, look inward in your heart. Can't you listen to angels whisper? Can't you listen to angels whisper? All this is journey's part. All this is journey's part. Others' failure doesn't define you. Others' failure doesn't define you. You are a person apart. You are a person apart. Bigness, greatness, glory, pride. Bigness, greatness, glory, pride always demand a new start. Always demand a new start. Falling 7 times, falling 7 times, stand up 8. Stand up 8 is actually the winner's art, is actually the winner's art. To dream to be someone, to dreams to be someone, isn't you only alone. To dream to be someone, isn't you only alone. In the battle of life, millions have come and gone, millions have come and gone. They fought, they lost, they fought, they lost, to end in cry and groan, to end in cry and groan. They fought, they lost, to end in cry and groan. Tried all things suggested, but is still not known, but is still not known. So what does it take to be on throne? So what does it take to be on throne? Can't I find just one man to whom the secret is known? I'm sorry to have to tell you, I'm sorry to have to tell you, the secret of them is already shown. The secret of them is already shown. They were unique, so was their secret. They were unique, so was their secret. Now you got to invent your own. Now you got to invent your own. You must not forget that. You must not forget that the ingredients are same. You must not forget that the ingredients are same. Do you wanna know them now? Yes? Promise me you won't exclaim. Promise me you won't exclaim. You stop asking for any secret. You stop asking for any secret if you wanna play a real game. If you wanna play a real game. And cross your heart on the following. Cross your heart on the following. I have nobody to blame. I have nobody to blame. Stop living life to chase money. Stop living life to chase money and to do humanity just for fame. And to do humanity just for fame. Rise above the concept of community. Rise above the concept of community. In service to the nation is your name. In service to the nation is your name. Live life up to what you say. Live life up to what you say, and to love unconditionally is your aim. And to love unconditionally is your aim. Kalam Gandhi Vivekananda lived. Kalam Gandhi Vivekananda lived. Hold their lives just to claim. Hold their lives just to claim. What you seek, who you wanna be. What you seek, who you wanna be. You are already going through. You are already going through. Take time to honor yourself. Take time to honor yourself, because you are the destination you are going to. Because you are the destination you are going to. To think of flying only a fallacy. To think of flying is only a fallacy. To think of flying is only a fallacy, because you are the sky of color blue. Because you are the sky of color blue. Krishna, Allah, or whosoever God is. Krishna, Allah, or whosoever God is, leads your path in my view. Leads your path in my view. So just smile a lot, act like crazy. Smile a lot, act like crazy, and celebrate the good deeds that you do. Celebrate the good deeds that you do. Don't hesitate to devote the results. Don't hesitate to devote the results to the Almighty you knew. To the Almighty you knew. Legends do it, so you do too. Legends do it, so you do too. Believe me or not. Believe me or not. But believe the hero in you. The hero in you. The hero in you. Thank you so much.